Guys, hello again. Welcome to Hedgehog Text, Hedgehog Tech, Technology, the aberration. Okay, no problem. Okay, now I found a question about Microsoft Word and it said how to remove a blank page. Okay, for that idiot, I'm gonna show it. Now I'm gonna simply open a Word document. I hope the guy who asked the question can follow that much. I opened a file. That's not hard. Okay, now what is that? It's obvious. It's track the changes. Now I'm gonna right click it, accept, improvement, accept. Now it disappears. It's quite easy. Now let's think there is a blank page here and you want to delete that blank page. How can you do that? How hard it can be? Okay, now I am clicking the Control and F buttons from my keyboard, and you can see there's a navigation tab had opened. Now I'm gonna click pages. Oh, you can see all pages you can see. Now I'm gonna click the pages that I want to delete. Now then I am right click. Now just from the keyboard you can click the delete. You see? You see what happened? Just you delete it. You see now there has to be some adjustments. Okay, okay, what's that? Okay, just wait. Oh, here, Panda. Okay, that was it. What did we do? It's quite obvious. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye.